You videotaping.
Harvesting our potatoes. Whoa, 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 whoa. What else are y'all gonna find, girls?
Smack, 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 smack.
Y'all want me to pull the yeah. Good girl. All right, let's dig.
Dig.
Yeah. What else did you find? Did you find something else?
I think I see one. No, that's a different rock. Oh my God!
Did you find something?
I tell you what I found. Aaron, no! That's a rock. Oh, look!
What is that?
What the heck?
What?
These are little baby ants.
What is that?
Those are ants.
Ants eating up our harvest?
Yes. Hurry. Oh!
Yes, you got something.
I got a lot. I see one, I think. Oh, I thought we had this one.
Okay, put it on the side.
There's lots of them too, man.
Okay, Aaron, go ahead. Bust it open, girl. Get it.
I'm gonna grab me one too.
Okay, Dad. Oh, all of that dirt and nothing. Oh, nothing.
There's more. We don't give up.
We don't give up. We don't give up.
Crap.
Hey.
Why is everyone rock we crack dirt is nothing?
No. All of that dirt. Is that one, Aaron? That one? Is that a rock? How did a rock get in there?
Oh.
That is crazy.
We don't give up. Look at the chickens.
Keep looking.
Keep looking.
Dig
Like a dog.
We don't give up.
Dig like a dog. Dig. You hold this. Dig like a dog. Dig like a dog.
Nothing else.
Mom, there's so much rocks in here.
Oh, I don't understand how the rocks get in there.
Look.
Oh,
Please, some more.
I thought we were going to be having a lot.
That is